Aloha, welcome. Can you hear me? Hello world. It's raining hard today. Nicholas, welcome back. Hello. 这里是你的 Luna, welcome. Welcome. I don't know why so many people are waiting though. Is it already too much in day job? Hello Eric. But here we go. Let's do this. Welcome everyone, this is your hacker Neko Waifu Cyan. Hey. 哎呀，我的上帝有 Stochastic Descent， 好久不见，欢迎。Hello Potted Plant, welcome back. Oh my god, I see so many familiar faces from a long time ago. You must be thinking Cyan is doing programming again, Yahoo. I think so too. It's been so long that I forgot how to write Python. I recently write many Go, and today when I write Java again, I switched the variable type and variable name. You know, in Go, like the variable name. Wait, which one goes first? Now I don't remember. I think in Go, variable name goes first, and then you put variable type. Yes, so it will take me some time today to flip my mind out of it. Hello, Tanuki, 欢迎，大家好。I just said welcome. Hello, Rosetsuki, welcome. 欢迎大家。哎呀，这么多人看，好紧张啊！好久没有刷题了啊！小妍这辈子就没有怎么刷过题啦，给大家献丑了。Yeah, I didn't really practice a lot of algorithm, so I invite my viewer to join me on solving this problem because I have no idea how to do this. So today we are on the 11th problem of Leetcode, which is container with most water, which I have never seen before. It's a medium, so I think with some help I might be able to do it. 这是在凡尔赛吗？没有凡尔赛啊！机械学习的大佬，在机械学习大佬面前，任何行为都不是凡尔赛，好吗 ？I really was given this as an interview question in 2014. For startup, really? Welcome. What does your name mean? 何もないの村? See, I can translate Japanese. I'm すごい. Thank you, Ricky. Thank you, Ben. I can distract myself from code by watching a stream about code. Exactly, that's what I did. I was like, I need to take a break from coding. So, I still code. 过了一会儿这题 easy 不了啊。Okay, I have no idea how to do, but let's read the problem together, cause I didn't look at it before. Okay, so given n non-negative integers, a1 to an, so they are all positive and or 0, which each represents a point at coordinate. やばい, this is 2D. 2D is やばい. 2D is yes やばい as me. Oh, seriously, we're doing matrix? I don't know, let's read down. Which is represent a point at coordinate I, AI, and vertical lines are drawn such that the two endpoints of the line I is at IAI and I0. 何よそれ? So, okay, so from 0 to n, I don't know why it's like this. Or is this is probably from 0 to n, and we have n vertical lines. Fine, I think. Find two lines which together with x-axis forms a container, such that the container contains most water. Ah, そうか、わかった。I think I sort of understand the question. So I was given a list, array, whatever you call it in Python, and there are n numbers, and as you can see here, we are finding 2 lines out of all the lines that can contain the most water. We probably will need a formula on calculating the area. Okay? Let's hope this is not dynamic programming. If it is, I'm screwed because I don't know how to do dynamic programming. Okay. I think that's what the problem says. Find 2 lines that forms that contains most water. Okay, the height. Oh, I was given. Okay, there the height, so you can visualize it here. The first, A0 is 1, AN is 7, A1 is 8, and output is 49. It's not dynamic programming. Yosh! I might be able to do this. Okay, so the above vertical lines are represented by the array, which is right. In this case, the max area of water in the container is 49. So if you think it like in a really intuitive, I don't know, like regular way, you just sort of iterate the array and calculate all the possible height, all the possible area for all the combination, and the final one that's max. What would the time complexity be? It sounds like n squared to me. Yeah, it's like for the first one you need to compare with n, for the second one you need to compare with, first one n minus 1, second one n minus 2. You do this so many times for each little thingy. So that's an squared. Complexity. It's a good start. It's a good start. Okay, we could probably do that. I don't know if there's a way to like optimize it. I feel like I'm being interviewed. It's okay. I'll bring my viewers all for interview. You guys are here to help me. Yes. Height 1. That's my initial thought. So look at the second example. If we have only two lines, then it's 1 times 1. Okay, I think it's sort of intuitive. So you need a sub-quadratic time algorithm. Sub-quadratic is less than quadratic. Does that mean? Does sub means less or same? What would the equation be different if the orange juice? Would the equation be different if it was orange juice instead of water? No, we're not talking about weight. Just I think we're doing area. That's my impression. Yes, 7 times 7. So somehow they assume it's like a line with the same surface, whatever the inner area. I see. Sub means less. Sub means less. How do I optimize it? Maybe we can like write the complex one and think about it. What algorithm can we use here to make it sub-quadratic? Sorting won't help because the sequence matter. Let me first try write the complex one. 二位编序 Mamma mia. What is that? 二维编序啊，二维编序，中文好难啊，英文也好难啊，编程好难啊。What is this? I recognize it too. It's two-dimensional. 何これ？two-dimensional. Oh, you tell me it's calculus? No, you don't need calculus for computer. Partially ordered set. Oh, I know partially ordered set. I heard of it. Partially or two-dimensional partially ordered set. Let's compile Linux. Just kidding. I still wanna do it. Two-dimensional partial ordering. Okay, our interviewer has given us the first hint. This is a question of two-dimensional partial orderings. How could I never heard of this? There's a paper about it. すごい paper. 但这 medium 应该不会用到这种大佬级别的算法吧。I have two different hints with the word two in it. Wait, I have a different hint with the word two in it. Two. Anyways, let me do the easy way. I don't know if I can do the easy way. Let's try it. What was the thought? We iterate the entire thing. So, what was the... We have a self, we have a height of a list. So, for ij in height... So, for the index... Wait, this is too small. How can I make this bigger? Editor setting, font size, let's go big. Symbol, key binding, tab size. Yeah, this is bigger. I think it's bigger now. As big as my face. Okay. Maybe I should define a function to calculate area given 2 points. X1 Oh, I feel so bad writing this. I almost had a big bracket over it. And it needs to return an area. Hello Tim, welcome. Did I ignore you? I'm sorry. Welcome. Hey, where did my window go? How to write Python functions? I'm sorry, teacher. I don't remember anything you told me. Anyways, wait. I think I don't even need to name it. I can just return. I will assume X2 is the bigger one. Times minimum of y1, y2. That sounds like how you should do it. Oh, my poor mess. Here he goes. It's almost like I'm the big chunk of silence. The big chunk of silence when you're doing interview. You ask your interviewer, how am I doing? They're like, just go ahead, just do it. 4 IJ in height. This makes me feel like I want to do everything after I. Range I plus 1 to n minus 1. This is so basic. Like this way of doing it is so strange. So I calculate area. I probably need to store them into a list and return. Is this a list? It needs to return the area, right? I am sort of loose. Would Cyan rather work at Fang or a startup company? I don't know. I would work at a big company because it's less work, so I can do some streaming. If I work at startup, I assume I would be working all day, right? Then I'll have no time to stream. I'll just find the most relaxing fish touching group and just stick there forever. Learn something occasionally. That would be the best life. Calculate area. So we have IK. I really should do x1, x2. Height. Height. Okay. Let me actually do x1, x2. x1, x2, x1. Do we have an n? Did I just type an n? Out of nowhere. Okay, so from we iterate from the line before to the end and turn down, and we calculate all the area. Height x1, height x2. And that should give us all the areas in the best case situation. And we return the maximum of the areas. Oh, it feels so strange. Just 10 lines of code. Let's see what error I might have. Let me take a look. Am I writing Python right? Fish touching. Yes, fish touching is a Chinese way of saying slacking. Oh yes, I wanted to enumerate height. Exactly, you Python genius. Enumerate height. Yes, thank you. See my arrow checking, guys. Are in the chat. It feels so good to stream coding. Everybody is there for you. Wait, where did I use the J? Did I ever use the J? I didn't use the J at all. Hello, Muckles. Maybe I should just do range of height to make it less confusing, but it's more confusing. I don't know. Python. I don't know if I need to import the max function or is it already there. Ayo, what's up, Waifu? That's a great way of greeting. Hello, Olive3144. Your waifu's doing good. Using the most dumb way to solve this problem, not knowing how Python works. I think this is how it works. Oh my! Tell me, compiler, what I do wrong. Haha! Look what it doesn't like. My compiler so picky. Let me show you my compiler. Hey. It doesn't like a lot of things. Not a lot of things. Let's see. This object cannot be interpreted as integer. How did I use it as an integer? Of course I did. I need to iterate the index, so it has to be the length. And the range in Python start from 0 to n-1. So ideally it should do it. I got a founder finally. I start next one. Congratulations! Congratulations! Wow! すごい nice. If I ever need referral, I'll ping you. Calculate area is not defined. Classes, you're sorry me. Self.calculate area. Ayo, let's go. Ayo, it doesn't like. Wait, when did I give it 5 different? Nani? Oh, how do I write classes? Is it like this? Dong dong and dong dong dong. Let's go. Run! Yeah, it compiles. Left mine in October after 4 years in there. すごい. You guys are superstar. You guys must have... Wait, if you spent 4 years in there, you must have interviewed people. You were once an interviewer. Yeah, Python, yes. Okay, it's giving me the wrong output. Probably because it didn't go to the end of this. Let's see what's going on. It's outputting 40. Why would it think it's 40? It probably thinks 8 times 5. Yeah, put all the numbers in. Range is left, close, right, open. I love this. I love this example. Wait. Oh. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I'm glad you catch it. Thank you. So yeah, it's open, so we go to the end of the array. Run. You don't want that -1 for x2. -1. Where did I make -1? It's accepted somehow. Let me run all the example test cases. The UI of Leetcode has changed so much. So it's accepting those numbers. The standard library has a much neater tool for this, really. fun. I hope he doesn't complain about my time. Which he should. N square is not the best time complexity. It's raining so hard. Haha, of course it doesn't like my time. Oh my god, it's trying to give me all the output. Do you know what 2-pointer is? 2-pointer! It's something I heard. I heard a few years ago and I forgot. Not a few years, it's like last year. And I never use it. I know what it is, yes. So it go... Do I know? It goes from left, like there are 2 pointers. One start from left, one start from right, and it goes into the middle. That's going to bring down the... It's going to bring it to ON, I think. Why greedy works here? Why greedy works here? What a good question. So 1 pointer here, 1 pointer here. Bye, Olive Tree. Thank you for dropping by. Good luck with everything you do. So 1 pointer here, 1 pointer here. Does it compare with the... Okay, it always take note of the current largest area. That was too powerful. Sorry. Oh my god, 2 is such a good hint. Thank you. It could take me a while to figure out how to implement the 2-pointer. Let me just go through it. So it starts from 0 and n-1. It calculates the area. How does it know which one to move to? It probably will move the smaller line, the shorter line. It will try to move to a higher line. But if 2 bars have the same height, then you cannot make any progress. Maybe just choose one. Just move forward with anyone. Would there be a case when, let's say, those two lines are the ones we're comparing with? So if we move this one, if we move to a higher one, so if we're moving those two ones, and if we move each time, check whether moving other pointer is an improvement. When neither one helps, no wait, there's a corner case. You can think of it as it has 2 faces. Move the lower bar to the higher one. I feel if they were the same, then we should... The most optimal way is move to the one next to it that is the tallest. I can't wait, I'm not sure why are you doing? I'm doing the The 11th problem of Leetcode. Container with most water. If the bar has the same height, then move arbitrary one. I was just thinking if there would be a case when they have the same height. And does doing it randomly, will it affect the area? So let's put some numbers. Let's say 5, 5, 6, 8. This is going to return a thunderstorm. Oh my god. So the maximum area for this is 15. How did the 15 come from? Oh, 5, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. It's between them. Should I move them when they have the same height? Should I move them randomly? So if I I feel like I wanna draw something. So let's say they are 10, 12. 10, 12. That's going to give me, has to be 16. I think you should only move to a higher bar. I think that's right. So like for this, problem, if we are here, if we move to the smaller bar, then the water level would be smaller compared to moving to this bar. So I should always move to a taller bar when it's possible. I think. Maybe the problem is get the largest two numbering array. Your smaller one I have used producing different width. Yes, we did that. We calculated the area already. 4. For example, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2. The left 2 should direct move to 3. The left 2 should directly move to 3. Huh? Oh, then we're skipping so much, which helps a little with time. Should we directly move to 3? What if the width will help? Oh, it doesn't matter. So the second problem is make area bigger. So we already calculate. So this very not intuitive. This very easy way of doing it is just compare every road with all the following road. and calculate area and find the largest area. And now we're trying to optimize it using 2 point. Yes, 2 point. 今天打算切多少道 hard？ 切不动，不会切 hard。No hard， no hard。今天是小严刷Leetcode第一天就要 hard 吗？也太……吓了一跳 ，Slack 的声音。刷完题要去赶工了。Yes, we got a time limit exception. Let me mute. Let me mute my computer. It sounds like I ran away from the middle of what I need to do. Okay, my Slack is muted. Nice. 好，我过吧。等一下，就走。你可以去刷下一道，对你刷下一道，然后给小严提示吧，12题，谢谢。开玩笑。Wait, let me start this. Point 1. Oh wait, there's a good name for this. Left and right. So we have left pointer, we have the right pointer, which is height, length of height -1. Length of height -1. We still need the areas. I think so. We still need the areas. Okay, amazing 2-pointer. How do we do that? I think it's a while thing. Rip my beautiful iterative way. Yes, the word is iterative. I was using Mac so much, I don't know how to copy paste in Windows now. I wonder why did Apple make its keyboard different from Windows? Is it necessary? I guess it is. It's like giving me trouble to switch back to your Windows keyboard. While true. Let's go, while true. Okay, if we do while true, we wanna be cautious of exit condition. So if right equals to left, then we break. While, okay, that while is actually saves a lot of work. So while left is less left is less than right, what do we do? Do we calculate the first area? I think we should. Calculate areas. Got a pen. Calculate. Feel I'm doing something wrong. Do I really know how to do pointer? If I pass height right there, it would make our life easier. Left, right, height. What am I doing? Okay. We should first calculate the area. Yes, I should. I should. Gambade, no more talk. Thank you, Ricky. Thank you. Yes, I don't know why I was. Ow! I hate Thunder so much. Sorry about it. I don't know if you guys heard it. Is it loud? What a sad day to interview if you have Thunder. Wait, the Thunder wiped my mind. What do we have? Okay, we append our first area. And then we decide what to do next. Thank you. Thank. Welcome, XP1 Koto. Thank you. Thank you for visiting. Append then we decide where to go. So we have a few different cases. If it's gonna Thunder again. If the height of left, I didn't want you. We just happened to think of the same way, okay? Yes. But I did look at the chat and realize we're writing the same code. If the left. Are we moving to a higher road or are we ditching? We're ditching the shorter one. So if the height of the left is less than the height of the right, we move left. And if height of the left is larger than height of the right. Oh. You can plus in Python? What's wrong with Python? Thank you for the reminder. Okay, this feels familiar. Height of left is larger than the height of the right. What do we do? Then right minus equals to 1. I felt this should be an else if. Does it matter? Actually, it doesn't matter. If they have the same height, what do we do? What do we do? Did I say hi to Watanova? If I haven't said hi Watanova. 小妍，你可能是 C 语言的受害者，没有小妍在用勾脸。Left, right. If they have the same, does it matter where they move to? I don't know if they matter. Would they matter? I remember my last conclusion was it matters. It does matter. So we do a comparison. If I feel so unsure. If I thought what spaghetti am I writing? So if the left has a higher we go to wait. So we have the same height, and if the left is higher than the right, then we wanna move the right. What if it's the same again? Am I losing my mind? What if it's the same again? While? Do we have a while inside it? Feels so wrong. While left equals to right. If height left plus 1 is larger than height minus 1, then we move the left one. Else, we move the right one. 真的随便移动一个就好吗？好吧，因为你过了，所以你是对的。那为什么我想不清楚呢？While. It's gonna thunder. I want you. Nah, this one is not a good thunder. Well, nobody is gonna hire me. Oh wow. Cyan, you forgot about self again. You're so unselfish. A cheaper way to store area is in my mind. Area equals to... You're so right! That will save the space. So every time it's... You just need one area. You just need to name it max area. Oh my god. Faster optimization. Max area equals to 0. Here. Max area equals to... Wait. We need to do a comparison before we move on. Max area and the current area. Good job. Good job, chat. 说明要获得更大的面积呢，说明两边都要动，所以先动哪个无所谓。如果两半一样高，说明要获得更大的面积，那说明两边都要动。为什么获得更大面积两边都要动呢？只动一边的话，会不会获得更大的面积呢？因为你的底边是在不断变小的，但是如果它足够高的话，因为高度是取 max。高度是取命。对，高度是取命。The height is we're picking the mean of the height. So we want to find a higher height. out of range. Yeah, it would. Wait, why would it be out of range? If 如果只动一个 bar 没有办法让 minimum height。你怎么那么聪明啊 I think I got it. So if we have the same bar, if we have 2 bars of the same height, we have to move both of them because we want to find a higher minimum height. But wait, it's not just depend on minimum height, it also depends on the width. I am confused, Neko. I know, I feel like if I remove this, then this will work, but I just wanna make sure. I sort of understand. 不管你动哪边，宽度都是减1。14991. 14991. It has to be in the middle. The area max has to be 499. So does it mean it doesn't matter how we move? One, 5, 2, 3, 3, 1. 5, 2, 3, 3, 1. 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 1. So here we have the same height as 1, and we're asking, does it matter on where we move? So if we move the left one, I see it here, but how about 1541? Well, it still needs to move in the middle, does it? 5, 4. What would the output be for the 1541? 2 and 1 4. When you move one to a larger value, the other one will become the mean. Yes. So both will need to move to a larger value in order for it to become bigger. I think it's just the moving part that's confused me because it will -1 in the lens. I was wondering if the -1 would like if the -1 would affect. I understand the mean height part, but thinking of it now, if the two heights are large enough, then I don't need to move at all. 为什么我这里也开始打雷了？小严的雨吹到大佬那里了。Okay, so it doesn't matter where we move when the height is equal. So I just do left plus equals to 1. Index out of range. Index out of range. Why? They did not like it. Zero. To the right? It's probably left that is out of range. No, wait, how could it be out of range? Wait, why am I doing while? Well, it doesn't matter. That's alright. That's why it should be else if and else. Okay, so okay, it was checking. Invalid thing. Oh, it doesn't like condition in else case. Hello, Jupiter, welcome. Okay, it's buzzing. It's buzzing. It wants me to subscribe to get the premium. No, thank you. Maybe yes. If I can stream Leetcode once a day, then I'll do it. Don't say sorry. I always sleep every day. Ooh, okay, pasta. Thanks, guys. If I less R, if L less than R, L plus 1. Else. You're so right. What? That would be so much simpler. Let's beat a better time. Minus equals to 1. Do I need to even test it? Let's run it. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. It's much faster. I don't know what other smart people come out with a better way of doing this. Yeah, Python, just even a glance, I'm happy already. Nice. Nice. Let's look at discussion. 2-pointer. Wow. 2-pointer. Nice. It's all in, tayo. Basically, it's all 2-pointer. But how could Python solution be even simpler? Java? No, wait. Python. 好，题推荐1727，要来吗 ？You sure it's a good question? 是 medium， 好耶，试试看哦。Sort by most votes. Sort by most votes. Most votes. I heard of it when something has most votes. Then use it. It's like in probability I used it before. How could this sort by most votes? Most oh what I was thinking. Sorry, I was thinking completely something different. I was thinking most vote as an algorithm. There's a voting algorithm. Like the one with the most probability gets selected in machine learning or something. Yes, sorry. That proves that I really don't do GitHub. Oh, wait, Leetcode. Nya. Matrix. Wow. Proved by contradiction? Majority. Well, am I doing it right, everybody? Did I mess it up again? Most votes. Seven-line Python, let's admire the great work. Nya. Ah. Does my function call? Does my function... Oh, the sounder is gonna come. Warning. Does my function call take more time? I mean, this is the exactly same thing we did. Right. West? 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 Oh, West. Okay. I would say our solution is good. Ah. Okay, it differs from people. Yours is 700. Oh, yeah. どうして? Function call over here is shorter than class method. Ah. So because I was using class method? What's this trick? There's a min height, max height L. Wow. Okay, I think we can move on to the next question. 你展开写也不会更慢。Calc area 本地展开就好。Dynamic programming next? No. I first need to take the dynamic programming class, then dynamic programming. Oh my god. No. Not dynamic programming. It's going to scare a cat to its death. No. I was asked a dynamic programming question. It's like, it's probably in here. Was it threesome? No, it was like longest common something. And the interviewer is like, I'm sure you have practiced this problem. It's the first 100 of Leetcode. And I was like, to your surprise, I haven't. Yeah. Oh yeah, what was the recommended question? 17 something? It's okay, I can score the chat. 17. Y7. 17. Y7. But just rest assured, ultimately one day, I will do dynamic questions. I'll do dynamic programming. To, I don't know, throw some egg from the house. That's one of the dynamic programming question I remember. Some G'ing stuff. Postman. Wow, what is this? Largest submatrix with arrangement. Oh my god. 2D. I don't think I can... I don't think I will know how to solve this one. Can you do next one in C? It will be too hard. I can do an easy one in C. For the more complex one, I prefer Python, less lines of code. You are given a binary matrix of size m times n, and you are allowed to rearrange the columns of matrix in any order. Nani? Or Java or Golang? Let's stick with Python. Let's stick with Python. I did algorithm in Python, but I know something. If you ask me to write Golang, the slice is gonna sort of kill me. Cyan is matrix kitty. What is matrix kitty? Nyan n times n times. Okay, so we have a matrix size of m times n. We can rearrange the column in any order. Okay. Return the area of the largest submatrix. Area? Area? What's area? You mean adding up everything? Oh. Where every element of submatrix is 1 after reordering columns optimally. Okay. I can't read English. Okay, that's an important condition. I think I understand what it's saying. So we are given a matrix and we can rearrange the columns, and we want to find the best, the largest matrix where every element is 1. So for this one, we what do? We swap those two. And we got all the ones here. Is it DP? Oh, it's not. Okay, I was scared. How about Tensor Kitty? Wow. There might already a package named Tensor Kitty. And this one is fun too. A fun quote-unquote edge case. Edge case is 1 times 5, and you just swap all the 1 together. Okay, I have no idea how to do this on top of my head. We want most 1 to get together. Iterative way, how do we do this? The simple, complex, straightforward, regular person thinking way. Of course, it's try all the column combination and pick. But that would be too time consuming. Yo, Black Knight, welcome. Time consuming. So there must be a better way. Also, after we get the after we swap the columns, how do we find out the largest area? I hope you remember. I remember your profile picture. Remember me. I'm more a visual person. This is too big brain for me. This is too big brain for me too. Any way I could think of this. I probably need something that calculates the largest to calculate the area of the largest submatrix. And when we swap, we wanna get the ones together. What would be the algorithm for this? If we try all the combinations of columns, that sounds like an that sounds like we are swapping columns. We have n columns. That sounds like an n square algorithm. Not counting the time to find out the largest matrix in each one. This is giving me a flashback to linear algebra, and I cheated the whole class. Linear algebra. I don't think this is linear algebra, but it's one of the harder math class in computer science. I wanna learn linear algebra. I was taught by a New York Ojijiang. He's really fun. He gives all the cheat sheet to us during the exam. It was super easy and I learned nothing. So as a result, in my machine learning class, I screwed up. I don't know how to calculate anything. Okay, back to the question. How about swap? We really do the swap. So if it's like 1 times n size matrix, how do I do it? I think we could just sort the descending order to left, align all the elements, then it's a bit more easier to figure out the submatrix. We could sort descending order to left, align all elements, then it's a bit more easier to figure out submatrix. We sort by number of ones on the column. Can I have your heart? Yes. Send your heart to me. 1. Is that a hint? Is that a hint? Last hint was 2, now the hint is 1. If it was me in an interview, I would just try every single combination of the columns. That's what I just said. That's what I would do at first. But this is Jupiter's way sounds like a great way to start. We can sort the descending order. What? I thought a sort row list reverse true would make given row left aligned. Make given row left aligned. Wait. Row list. Yeah, this question we can only manipulate the columns. So we can only move the whole column. We can't just move the ones to the left. For example, I will rewrite the matrix in the sample case into 0, 1, 0. One, 2, 1, 12, 1. 0, 1, 0. 1, 2. Wait, what's that secret code? What's that Da Vinci code? Right there. I'm lost in the universe. It's okay, it's okay. The questions are so small. You can find it on Leetcode. It's 1727. 101 121 230. なぜFor example 1. なぜ What is this secret code about? 就从上啊啊 Wait, I got it 1 second and 这是第几个一 Which from top to bottom Which one? Which? How many ones are there? Wait. Okay. Hold up. 从上往下数，这是第几个一 ？0, 1, 0. Soka, wakata. Oh, wait, I only understand the numbers. It's still a long way to go. So, stochastic is suggesting we go from top to bottom and we label, from top to bottom, this is the second one. This is the first one. This is the second one. And from top to bottom, this is the first one, second one, third one. From top to bottom, this is the first one and no more ones. So we convert this. We convert this array, this matrix, to the mapping. By the way, the method name is against the PEP atom naming convention. Function name should be lowercase. Function name case should be lowercase. It is lowercase, I think. The class is uppercase. 列可以随意变换，所以只需要统计每行中一的个数，然后排序。每行中一的个数，然后排序，就用单调站找到最大矩形。每行中一的个数。Wait, this looks like a different way. So, Lift is saying because we can change we can swap the columns. So we can what was it? So we can calculate how many ones are in the in each row, and we sort. And then we use stack to find the largest area. (每行中一个个数，然后排序，最后用单调站，但是排序了之后怎么样确认？就是可以交换列，就可以通过交换列把它放到最佳的情况呢？这道题最后找最大矩形应该算哈尔难度并不是很简单。 Did Cyan die? Oh, she's back. I haven't died yet. Welcome back, General S. Welcome. I think you should sort the columns so that the columns with the most ones are at the front. Okay, everybody is mentioning sorting. Are we talking about the same way or different way? But I get to decide what way I wanna do. But first, I need to know how each one works. So we have a few ideas here. Which one should I go with? Can we pick an easy one? So we can only rearrange the column index, not element changing, right? Yes, we can only swap the whole column all together. Like that. Like with this one we swapped this yellow one and the blue one. We can rearrange the column. Yes, okay. The sort by number, the sort by the columns. It sounds a little too greedy. I don't know how would it work. I feel I don't have an idea. Unless chat wanna guide me on which one I should go for. Otherwise, I will find some guidance. I'll look at like some hints. If there isn't a recommended way.要不换个简单题吧。我要做 two sum。I still want to stick to this question because it's fun. I mean, every time I read my viewer's name, I know they're going to become my subscriber. And every time I read a question, as long as I understand it, I sort of want to know how to do it. You sort them, you sort each single row. Not easy one, I say, but I need more time in my end, on my end. I don't know if it's okay if I take a peek at the solution. I try to figure things out myself. But when I'm so stuck, usually I will take 5 hours to do a method that won't even actually work. Sorting each row works. I personally would never be able to figure that out. Sorting each row? How could sorting each row work? Okay. Things. You find the explanation? Could you send it? Is it hard? My brain is not very smooth. But if you can send it in the chat, that would be awesome. Is it one in Medium? Medium, the blog? I love Medium so much. Only me got buffering. It looks green here. There's a comment. That's how I would explain this in the interview. Which comment? The comment in our chat? Or in the question solution? In the link I posted, you posted that link 1 second. Wait. Oh, wait. We can't post link. Ah, so sad. I set the chat to not be able to post links. So others won't be able to see it just because I don't want like spammer coming. Or this medium post. Send the link in the Discord. Or how did you find it? Or you can send it in Discord. I'll post it because I'm the real admin. Bum 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 bum. 我得溜了，辛苦啦，谢谢你，下次再见，拜拜，祝你好运。Discussion. Phew. Clear and clean and clear with intuitive pictures. Nice, nice. 能够接到人家的眼呀。Oh, so this is you. I didn't know. I'll make you Nyan Star. Every time I look at you, I feel like familiar. Every time I want to raise people's status to Nyan Star. 1 second. I can do it right now. Boom. Ah, you're a Nyan Star now. 他走了，我们换一个题。不要，只是感觉就是想你们的思路会比较难，但写起来应该还行吧。可能待会小严就要被打脸了。Okay, so this one is that this should be the thread. 1. Why can't we just count the last row outside the double loop? Hello, Mosquito, welcome. Ah, another Mario. Hello. Wow, it's cold. It's cold. Am I looking at the right thing? I am myself. I am myself. Where? I know what you did, but I don't understand why it works and how should one explain this to interviewer. So this what the? Is a line 9? This 9 nines? This is awesome. Nani? 9 nines for a medium question. Faster than 100? Yes, I know you. I need to explain this thread. Should I look at the original post or I just look at the comment? Use the matrix row by row, and for each column, keep track of how many ones have appeared continuously. When you encounter 0, for example, use the matrix row by row, and for each column, keep track of how many ones have appeared continuously. For each column. After the first row, we have 0, 0, 1. After the second row, we have 0, 1, 1, 2. Yes, that's what stochastic have said. And we have 2 or 3. Yes, we count that Since we can move the columns at will, we are allowed to sort after performing this operation in each row. So we sort it. Look at that final row. It looks like this. Area equals to base times height. Iterate through the sorted row and continuously update the max area. One times 3, 2 times 2. One times 3, 2 times 2, 3 times 0. Reuse the input matrix to save space. Okay, so if I drop down to here, the best rectangle has its bottom on some row. Yes, so for each row, I can find the best rectangle that has a bottom on that row. For each row, I can find the best rectangle that has a bottom on that row. I can do this if I have know how many ones. Oh wait, I didn't send it. I'll send it to the chat so everybody can read if they want it. I feel like this is like a little study group. I can do this if I have known how many ones are stacked up on each column of the row. The best rectangle has its bottom on some row, so for each row, I can find the best rectangle that has a bottom on that row. I can do this if I have know how many ones are stacked up on each column of the row. I can start with the highest stack, something like 4 times 1, and then keep adding the next highest stack, trying to make the base of my rectangle wider. But as I make it wider, the height is limited by the shortest stack, which is the height of the last stack added, since the stacks are sorted in descending order. I think I understand why we are going through each row. The stack thing. Let me go back to the answer, the code. Right. They take the final row 3 to third row. One 0 0, second row we have 2 0 0, third row we have 3 2 0. Okay, that was sorted. Meow. Take the final row. What does it represent? It represents three, 2 0 3. Why is this 0? We're counting how many ones we have appeared continuously. If we have encountered a 0 reset, 203. 203. Zero zero 1 112 and 2 0. Here we reset because we encounter a 0 and this is 3. And then we sort it. This is telling how many. What's the maximum? Is it maximum? It's telling me which row has. At each row, how many consecutive ones are there, and we are using each row as a base. Since we can move columns as well, we are allowed to sort after performing this operation on each row. Since we can move the columns as well, we are allowed to sort after performing. Okay, yes, we sort. And so we sort as like this. To be honest, this kind of performance are my weakness. Those are my weakness too. That's why I'm dragging you guys to play with it together. 今天用拍上 Area equals to base time height. Since every column is taller or equal to the column that comes after it, base equals to column's position. Height equals to the column value. Iterate through the sorted row and continuously update the max area. Reuse the input matrix to save space. I was wondering how this was calculated. I know it's on this picture. One times 3, 2 times 2, 3 times 0. Are we calculating the max area? Because we sorted, the sort is n log n, so we sorted by rows. Actually, we sort number of column. Wait, we sort columns, so it's 1, 2. So it's m log m, and that's for the sort, and then we do it for every row. So that's n times m log m, I think. Space complexity is because we use space complexity is number of columns. So I can't really help with this problem. No problem. No problem. No problem at all. 这个做法也不错，逐行统计每列中连续的1的个数，然后排序，求出新的矩阵，然后在新排序好的矩阵上求最大面积矩形。是这个意思的感觉。For solution, define largest submatrix. Should I try doing it? Did I understand? Let me read this explanation again. The best rectangle has its bottom on some row. So for each row, I can find the best rectangle that has the bottom on that row. I can do this if I know how many ones are stacked up on each column of the row. I can start with the highest stack, something like 4 times 1, and then keep adding the next highest stack, trying to make the base of my rectangle wider. But as I make it wider, the height is limited by shortest stack, which is the height of the last stack added, since the stacks are sorted in descending order. All YouTube streamers are lagging. That's why I don't blame myself for so little people watching now. Haha. It's not me being dumb, it's the YouTube. Cyan is better than the YouTube. Listen, YouTube. I am smarter than you. You don't hire me, Google. You need to rethink. Man, just kidding. If you are a recruiter from Google, I will be very happy to join the team. Oh, by the way, no politics. Please. No politics. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Let me try to understand what's going on. Good thing I have Twitch too. Yeah, I have Twitch. Come on, come over. Go over to Twitch. We have like 260 subscribers there. I don't know why I have Twitch, but it's amazing. Come over. Twitch even have a faster, it's less delay in Twitch. So yeah. Okay. So what are we going to do right now? What are we going to do? We are going to count consecutive 1 for each consecutive 1 for each column. And after that, we calculate the largest area. I think I'm missing some step. 看一下大佬刚刚发过来的是啥 Oh yeah, and just so I count number of consecutive 1 for each column and take notes of it, and then I sort, and then I calculate the largest submatrix. Okay, YouTube is really dumb. You need a hacker, YouTube. Now you guys can prove me innocence. Don't message me to ask why YouTube is dumb. I don't wanna mess with Google. I want them to hire me. Kato, if you could help. I know you're good at this. Help with the algorithm stuff. If you wanna help. If you don't wanna help, that's totally okay. We have people sending me the solutions. Amazing. Consecutive 1 for each column. For... Phew. So I wanna generate a matrix for myself. How do I iterate through matrix? For row in matrix. For element in the row. Byung. It seems to be done regionally. The US part, so maybe your VPN is not using US node. I think. So for each row in the mix. So first, we probably need a replica for the with the same size, which I have no idea how to create. Count underscore. Okay, best time. How do I create a matrix of size? For Byung in range ammo. That makes column. No. And you can manipulate the given matrix. You can manipulate the given matrix. I don't want to mess with the matrix though. Let me just look at how they initialize it. Hey, he didn't initialize. What? It really just used the original matrix. And that makes sense. We can just use the original matrix. We don't need to keep copy or create a new one. Ah, smart. Space saving. And we need to count for consecutive. What's your matrix?第一行不变，从第二根开始，根据上一个1的个数更新，遇到0就重试，联系的个数递推出新的矩阵。If you wanted to make a copy. Oh, that's right. Oh yes, that was what I was looking for. Thank you. 这个题就要下播了，你推荐个简单的题，推荐个简单的题我就再播一道。要是真的上面写 easy 那种。So the first row I don't manipulate. I'm looking at the solution and trying to understand it. Maybe I should do it again next time. It seems like 720p and above has some issue right now. Exacto. I am a blurry Cyan. Blurry. Okay. So, let's do some real stuff. Nyan. Row is the length of the matrix. Column is the length of the matrix. Length of the first row. I always think this way of extracting the column is so cool. Also, I need to have the smarter range thing. YouTube 不能用，对，今天 YouTube 被小盐黑了。Just kidding. Wait, what did I press? Yeah, but this is the insert. Why did the insert button exist? Seriously. Range length of the first row. That's our column. We can iterate. And go to Twitch. Everybody go to Twitch. Let me send you a link. Twitch.com. Wait, it's Cyan.com. Let's hope Cyan.com didn't die. That's why I always have plan B, guys. It works? Yeah. Was not timely. Okay. So we only add 1 We only add 1 if we are not on the first row, and on the previous row we have 1 on that column. I know my code sounds like the solution. I was just trying to understand it, but I think I really understand it. I'm a sorry code. I'm so glad I'm not at school. Otherwise I would have plagiarism, blah, blah, blah. Matrix 0. If row is not 0, and if row is not 0, and the one before, so that's going to be matrix row column row minus 1 column. I want it to equal to 1, so not equal to 0. Kelly, lovely, welcome. Cyan. I think. Does Python has end? I think. Ow. Then we add 1 to the current. Current. We don't add 1. We set. Wait. Am I losing my mind? We don't add 1 to this. So this says we already have 1. Row minus 1 column. Equals to previous row plus 1. That's what I thought too, but it's different. It's different from the solution. Such unfortunate event. Now you gotta see Twitch. Hey, we have even viewer on both sides. That's weird. That's rare. Time to open my Twitch. Welcome to Twitch, everyone. Maybe we can raid someone after the stream ends. I start to host other Twitch streamers because I love them. Amazing. They equal to previous row plus 1. Why did it just... Why? Ah, okay. It's the same thing. So the solution is like this. It just plus it. It just add itself to the previous row. Should we do that instead? Equals to previous row plus 1. Are we saying this didn't say our current one is 1. It didn't say our current element is 1. So if our current element is 0, then we should add before as well. So we shouldn't just directly add 1, I think. Is the same? No minus 1. This looks right to me, and the way we just did assumes that the current element is 1, which is not always true. Wait, am I losing my mind? Okay, sorry, I'm losing my mind. Well, where was I? Where was I? So rho is not equal to 0. So we are on the second row, and our element is 1. Then we add the scene before. This sounds so like dynamic programming, and I press my demo insert button again. Oh my god. Okay, so we are updating the... So this is how we update the matrix by doing by counting the consecutive ones for each column. And now we need to sort them. So sorted matrix. I like long names. I shouldn't like long names. We sorted reversely. Sort. We sort the. I wanna sort the matrix by. The column. Wait, so we sort for each row. Use this command. So we sort for each row. 你要先统计出截止当前行为值每列的最大连续一长度，遇到0就重置该列长度为0，这样所有信息都被保存在最后一行。就是这个，这应该是在做这件事吧？遇到0了之后，遇到0之后重置为0了吗？嗨，玉梅酱，同学们 ，Have you eaten yet? Not a cucumber, right? Eat good breakfast. Yes. No column. Point 0. So when it's 0, then it's 0. So it's being reset here. Okay, this condition is so smart. It's so smart. It's so smarter than me. And here we sort by each row. Sorry for taking a long time. My brain has been frozen. Matrix row and false. Reverse equals to false. Wait, reverse is true. Reverse equals to true. 然后排序最后一行集合，降序排序，排序最后一行。玛丽哄啊，他好像是把所有都排序了，这样子就可以算那个总面积。 Oh, okay. This thing is called sorted. Sorted matrix. Sorted matrix. Okay, good. And we initialize our beautiful area to 0. And we want to calculate the largest submatrix, which I don't know. So here we have done doing it for each row. We have done sorting each row. We can start to calculate the area based on that row. How do we do it by? And how did I stop responding? And everyone is in Twitch channel. So we are here now. We have this. I have no idea how to calculate this. Let me read the code. 已经做这件事，现在就需要便利取 max 更新答案就可以了。我什么时候做这件事？哎，我什么时候把它沉起来了？我没有沉它。思考。What's the problem ID is 1727. 1727. 我便利所有的 column. What the heck is this? Oh, wow. Okay. So that 1, 2, 3 is actually 1, 2, 3. It times the largest height to calculate the largest area. So for each column, it calculates the largest height. So it is 1 times the height, 2 times the current. That's 2. How does it know it has something on before? Why Jason, thank you for coming. I know YouTube is not doing well in the US. Good luck. YouTube is having some problem. I hacked YouTube. And YouTube is down in the United States. I think. 2 times 2. We only calculate consecutive row. Wait. We sorted it. So this has to have something. Okay. My frozen brain has started to work. So for I in range of the length of the matrix 0, I hear Cyan in his regards to YouTube. Oh, YouTube. Area equals to max of the current area. What do we have? We have the sorted matrix. Sorted matrix. But also, oh my god, so many areas. Matrix. This is the column number, and we times it with the length. That's I plus 1. I plus 1. Beautiful indentation and formatting. It's just you even have comments. I write the cleanest code in the world. Oh my god. Alright, I guess I have to chill in Twitch. Welcome to Twitch. We have 22 people in Twitch. Seriously? Never had this high. Twitch is going to send me some notification. Nani? Oh. Nani? Int has no length? Wait. Int has... Int doesn't have length. That's very legit point. But what? You're supposed to be a list. Oh, baka. Watashi. You're not supposed to be a list. You're just a row. I got reclocked. Do. There's no strangers to love. Boom. You know the rules and so do I. This half a copy inspired code seems to be working. Thank you. Thank you, use physics. And I am myself for this amazing answer. And special thanks for everybody in the chat who helped me. I think if it's not passing, I'm teaching this question right now. It's passing and it's super fast. No wonder it's the best solution. I hope in a long time later, I look at this question, I can still remember the good times we had. Okay, I can do one last simple question. Any recommendation? Hello, Starlight Noah, welcome. I hope you make lots of money with this. Did you guys get what I was referring in my Twitter? There's a YouTuber that called himself a multi-millionaire by being a tech lead. That was what I referred to. I don't wanna like. I know some of his ideas are controversial, but some of his videos, to me, are inspiring and helpful. I'm not saying all of it, but I really enjoy watching his videos. Not all of them. YouTuber multi-millionaire as a programmer. That almost got the correct way of addressing him. I am someone in YouTube. My VPN doesn't work well enough. No, I don't know who is who. Okay, anyone, any question? I'm not doing threesome or foursome. I heard they're not that easy. You're no strangers to love. You know the rules and so do I. 所以刚刚那个题过了吗？过啦！谢谢你，谢谢你教我。还有刚刚那位大佬 Artenitis, thank you for teaching me this. Thank you so much. Programmer as a multi-millionaire. His name is Tech Lead. Go check out his video. So fun. I don't know if he's joking or he's serious. He got his entire business. Very cool. In my opinion. Like, serious question, what is this code even used for? What is something useful and practical with this code? What is something useful or practical for the question? What a great way to think about it. Is anything in Leetcode ever useful? You just do it in your interview and you never do it at your work. But maybe some like physics could use it. Like swapping. It makes me think of like honey. Like you wanna scrape the largest area of a honeycomb. I don't know. I never know what they're used for. Any easy question? Another deal? Let's learn physics. Yo, relativity. From a programmer, you will need this kind of matrix calculation a lot if you're working with data processing. But unfortunately, many developers are not data scientists. Hello, pleasing. Welcome. Okay, so I'll pick one easy if nobody picks for me. How about Roman to integer? Sounds easy, let's do it. How do I do Roman to integer? Nani? Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Nani? L is 50, C is 100. So what's Cyan? What number is Cyan? You just C 100, A 65, Y I don't know, and I don't know. Speed run in Neko song seems like a good idea. Do you know how many questions are there? I'm gonna literally die. Most of the questions is just improving your skill. I think so. So what does this do? Oh, we're adding the number up. How fun. Let's do it. It's a map. Sorry, I hate the monitor. Sunday. That's a fun problem. Is it really fun? I saw it just adding numbers. It's like easy. Wait. ちょっと待て. IV is 4? If it's before you gotta to the minus? Are you sure this is easy? Wait. There are 6 instances where subtraction is used. I can be placed with V and X to make 4 and 9. X can be placed before L and C to make 40 and 90. C can be placed before D and M to make 400 and 900. Given a Roman numeral converted to an integer. I guess I can just do them by case. I have more than 3 of the same character in the same number. So ka. By the way, there are 1,869 problems in Leetcode algorithm section, I think. Sure. I have no clue what's going on. I have some clue. First, it will be great. We will have a map of or a dictionary. So Roman. I'm just about to do go. Roman equals to dict. I remember I was coding with a group of guys, young guys, very reverent, freshman college, sophomore-ish college student, and we were just doing Python like dictionary. It was like very clean and pure and knowledgeable. And suddenly they started to laugh. They started to laugh so hard, and I was totally confused. Like, it's just a dictionary. Why do you have to pay attention to how it's written and pronounced in Python? It's weird. And I think I'm writing YAML. Actually, I saw it was funny too. How do I write dictionary in Python? I remember I googled this for like a long time. So many times. I think I did it right. It's just I don't need a keyword. How to spell dictionary? No, I was talking about like how Python use the keyword DICT. L is 50, C is Cyan 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. I bet you'll be struck by a syntax error. No, you're wrong. I must be struck by so many of them. 哎，你现在还是学生吗？永远18岁，记好喽。说不定是 JK 呢？好像都这么说了，就很明显不是了，不是 JK 了。唉，啊。Oh wait, I should make them string. YouTube is back to me. Nice. Go to YouTube. Get my watch. Wait, I don't need watch hours anymore. Do I need them? I don't know. I am qualified for membership, and I don't know what to do with it yet. 早上好 ，Mr. 布布。最近研究画画没有来啊？是在画小妍的色图吗？Okay. Okay, time to parse it. Where do I start? YouTube to hire Cyan to fix their system. They don't want me. They don't want me. Man, so many people in Twitch. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Twitch is gonna be so surprised. Yo, today, finally people are watching me on Twitch.即使不够还不行，那要加油哦！加油，给小杨画色图。如果我从后往前的话，15应该是怎么写的 ？How do I write? How do I write? How do I write 14 in Roman? XIV? I think so. XVI, XIV. 64. No problem, we never use this. So I do it from... My intuition is do it from back to the front. So for... I don't even know what am I doing. -1. This should give me everything in reverse, hopefully. 1 minus 1. Wait. I'm confused. Is YouTube back? Yes. Welcome, Patreon Simple. The most programmers don't know what they're doing. That's a great relief. A Python range knows. Hashimaru. I'm using this Japanese VPN and everything's in Japan now. Okay. Start the stop step. Stop step. Oh. Okay. You start from 0. Wait. You start from the end, and you end at you end at 0. Is there a close range? It feels like I should do -1 in order to get 0. I think. You know Can Dice? She is talking about you. Her streamer who. I got noticed by Senpai, really? That's awesome! So cute. Hello. Not one. Welcome. Okay. Tell me if my range is totally wrong. And I'm doing it from right to left. The current character is SI. Science getting noticed everywhere. Scared. Scared but happy. No man. Okay, I'm taking this index. Thanks, the main character. Write a novel for me. I'll make it into a girl game. Why? Okay, he is complaining about indentation. Okay, so we got the number. Let's have an answer of 0. Oh, it is. What it is? YouTube works fine now. Okay. Welcome back, YouTube. Maybe I was fixing it. I'm so sorry for the offs who got pinged at this moment. It's almost their off work time. It makes me feel like I should just handle the corner case in the if cases. So if the current thing is I and the one before, the one before or after, if the current thing is I and one after it is we, then minus equals to what? Okay. Else if current thing, I feel like the easy question is just bunch of annoying conditions. Yo, moving! Thank you, this. Welcome. As I plus 1 equals to, what's your name? L and the C. Before L and the C. So before L. Oh wait, I can make a big combination stuff, I think. Before L or C, the X can minus answer minus 10. This feels like the last question in a high school student Python exam. Last question for extra credit. Wait, there should be another else if case. If this is C, and I don't even know if I'm doing the the easiest way. Maybe the answer is going to blow my mind. Phew. Ah, you can't see the code I'm writing, of course. I forgot to drag it. Okay. Thank you for mentioning it. 4点钟还需要输入49。哎，也是哦。这就喂，把那几个那样。Brain freeze, brain freeze. 如果把这个测速度加上了，它需要2个字母才能够认出来呢？就直接加是吗？等一下，我有点晕。我这样不行吗？我先试试，报错了，我在听话。DNM， I'm a stubborn in nature, and I have a sick face to make mistakes, never regrets. Continue 是这个罗马数字就没有小处理，为什么？先加一个 x， 再减一个1。IV， 他先加一个5。然后前面是一个 I， 应该是可以的。I think I see a loophole. Tell me. Wait, what happened? 啊！ダメよ、ダメなのよ。Answer. Okay. Tell me why I'm wrong. I'm gonna cry. Index is out of range. Perfect. All the time. 你这样写好多if要挺麻烦，对吧？超麻烦。但是如果把它存在那个 map 叫什么？如果把它存在字典里面的话，怎么样连着2个数字，怎么样连着2个字母检测呢？你就不能够一个一个那样过来呀。Fly me to the moon. It doesn't even need to run, it knows. If the Python is like, hey, I don't even need to run this, I know you are wrong. Tell me why. Okay. I also need a condition where I plus 1 is not out of range. A very nasty condition. I is not equals to 蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳。Feels so bad. What a spaghetti. It didn't like 3. Are you serious? How could it not like? Oh wait, I returned nothing. 蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳。It passed, sort of. Let me try all the test case. 蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦跳，蹦蹦蹦蹦蹦。You didn't like it. You didn't like it. I knew it's gonna happen. Okay, tell me which case do you not like 1994. What? I can do 11? 11? 3, 4, 11. Why is 11 not okay? Why is 11 not okay? Boom boom cat? Boom boom cat? Oh my god. Bunk bunk jack. Bunk bunk jack. Bunk bunk jack. Bunk bunk. It's a tongue twister. Yeah, it doesn't like 11. Nande? What? How do you spell 11? IX. どうして? Oh, これ what kata? I forgot this one last case. One last case. One last simple case. Bum bum jack. Bum bum jack. Bum bum jack. Bum bum jack. I don't think you've ever seen somebody so happy doing Leetcode. That's the Leetcode. Ah! Smart. You got dinner for chicken. You got chicken for dinner. What is you got dinner for chicken? Nice. Why don't you tell me earlier? Okay. Bum bum cha. Bum bum cha. Bum bum cha. Bum bum cha. It's passing! And it's faster than most of the Pythons they use that. I am so すごい. I am being happy about an easy question. If I have more time, I really want to do this all night. Guys, this is so fun just doing all the questions with y'all. I really need to thank everybody who helped me throughout the way. I really learned a lot today. And it inspired me to play with Leetcode more. Thank you guys so much. So I was having an idea. So in my Discord channel, if you have an interesting Leetcode question, send me the number so I can stream it next time. Maybe if it's hard, I'll like prepare for it. Yeah, I think that's gonna be so cool. That's gonna be so cool. Wow, you're so fast. The algorithm was fast. Thinks that we are the champions. I remember the name. But now my head is like, we are the road. We are the children. We are the ones. Da, 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 da. Okay, what's the we are the champion? Please don't copyright me. 何よこれ? Ah, the champions. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we are the champions. すごい. Man, somebody said I did that in the interview. They're going to teach me on the first round. I need to practice more. Get a better job. And I don't know, 130k per year. Become a millionaire and collab with tech lead or Linus tech people. Yeah, if you know them, I don't know. If you know them, good. Because my goal is to collab with them one day in 10 years. Okay? 三爷在什么时区？在美国。对，至于具体时期就因为身份原因就不说了。但是 yes。对，谢谢大家今天来帮忙 ，Thank you guys for helping today. So about this week's schedule, I'm having a quite busy week, so no stream for the rest of the weekday except for Friday, where I'm going to do, I think it was Fall Guys, right? Where was my schedule? I mean, it feels so risky to pull out a browser in your stream. And yes, this is my Twitter. Go follow me, cause I'm planning to use it for real. 所以颜料今天作业完成了，如果能够直播作业也是非常好的一件事情，但是不行，如果直播了作业的话，这不就身份不就暴露了吗？小严可牛逼了。Okay, yeah, this is my beautiful schedule. So today is the Leetcode, and Friday is my Fall Guys, cause I wanna get a crown in the Fall Guys. I haven't got anyone yet, so I really wanna get one. Minecraft is Saturday with all the viewers. It's gonna be awesome. I don't know what to do. Probably a skyblock or a hard survival with one life. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, the server has CN2 too. So if you are from mainland China, you can still join. because we boosted with money, with dollars, yes. And for Sunday, we are celebrating my 6 months since my debut. Yes, I haven't figured out what exactly I'm gonna do. It could be complicated. It's gonna include singing for sure, but I don't know how to incorporate Linux as Linux for now. So you'll see. It could be something from scratch. It could be a distribution review. It could be just have the penguin there. So yeah. I love a stream on the weekend. It's 5 a.m. for you. That's so sad. I can try to have this to be like 3 hours, 4 hours. So if somebody wanna join in the morning, that's possible too. But Sunday, it should be at a more reasonable time for celebration. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys Friday, unless I wanna do coding stream more, or you guys wanna see me do my homework. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you. And I'm going to raid someone since I have so many. Somebody tell me who to raid right now. Hey guys, thank you, Yumi-chan. Who am I going to raid? Hold on, don't leave me. 测试加油！ Is anybody watching? Is this one person in the channel? Whose channel I'm going to do? Who is going? Oh wait, I know who to send you. Hold on, sit tight. Sit tight. Wait. It's my first time using raid. Hope it's going to be fun. Wow. It's awesome. Let's go. Ew, not spacebar.